everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add your own music to a Canva video. So first open Canva and select your video. Now in the left hand panel you will see the upload icon. So you just have to click on that. Now here you will see there are three options available: images, audio and photos. So go to audios and here you will see the list of your downloaded audio tracks. Now we just have to select any of this and just drag it and drop below your video. Once you drop the video audio track, so now you just have to adjust it according to the size of video, and after that you just have to click on the play button to preview it, and that's it. You have just added your own audio in your Canva video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.